Okay, that's also one thing that you should not do. Hi guys, my name is Akra again, and today I'm here to talk to you guys 7 things that you guys should never do as a new YouTuber. However, before we begin, please click the subscribe button below if you haven't yet, and please turn the bell on so you'll get notification for my future videos. When you guys actually go onto YouTube channels to actually look at YouTube advices, they tell you what you should do, but they kind of never tell you what you should never do. However, there's a lot of things as a new YouTuber you should not do that can actually harm you in the long run. Number 1 in that list is sub for sub. Sub for sub, there's a lot of platforms on Facebook and Instagram such as Small YouTubers Support, the Slow YouTubers channel. A lot of these groups claim that will help your channel grow, but in the long run they'll only harm your channel. Because a lot of these posts here are sub for sub, and even if you don't intend it to be sub for sub, a lot of people will generally just comment down their link in the comment section just so people can sub for sub. Also, from my experience, I also done this before. I posted a link to my video once, and I got a lot of messages from other people that they want to watch my videos in exchange for me watching their videos. However, let's be real, it's really hard to gain subscribers when you're just starting. However, remember, sub for subs are never your real subscribers. They will actually not watch your videos, they're only subscribers there. And even if you get first 50 subscribers through them, you're not going to get more views from them. And this is not going to really help grow your channel, so this is not really a good option in the long run. Okay, the second thing I'll tell you guys never to do is to leave your link in the comment section for others' videos. Although a lot of YouTube advices tell you guys that you should comment on other people's channel so that they can click your link and actually start watching your videos, this is only in the case if your videos actually add to their videos. If your video link doesn't add to the video, like this for example, then it would only harm your channel as people would click on it and they think, oh, this is not really what I look for, and they will just skip through it and you'll get lower watch time every time they click on the link, and this is not the result you want. So if you want to comment your link in someone else's video, make sure you watch the entire video and only leave your video link in their comments if you actually think that your video adds to their content. The third advice I'll give you is to never use advertisements. Currently, advertisement platforms usually cost you about $30 for 1,000 views, and this is not really worth it. In average, for YouTube, you only get a quarter of a penny when someone watches your video, and for 1,000 views, that would mean you only get about $2.5. However, by doing this, you'd be spending $30 per 1,000 views, and this is not profitable in the end. Instead of your profit going like this, it instead go like this. And you don't want this. If you're doing YouTube for monetization, this is especially true. You have to get used to the monetization system early. Even if you don't have the requirements met for monetization, you have to get used to not using your money to get your views. Okay, another advice I'll give you is to never get expensive gears from the start. If you want to get expensive gears from the start, you can, but it will only harm you because in the long run, you'll want to find your own gears later that will suit your video style. For example, I have this camera right here, it's Canon 550D. I use this for my vlogging, but I never almost use this because my video is not about vlogging. My video is about how-to videos, and the how-to videos that I'm filming right now, I'm filming it on my iPhone because iPhone gives me the best quality video with correct depths and correct audio that I want. Another equipment that a lot of people tell you to get is a softbox lighting or some kind of lighting that can actually shine your face. However, this costs you about hundreds of dollars, and some good ones actually cost about thousands of dollars, and you don't want to spend that much money when you just start your YouTube videos. So for an example, what I use is my simple desk lantern. Desk lanterns not only give you maximum lighting that you want, but you can also control them because they have a neck that you can bend. Also, by adding a paper to it, you can control the grainy feeling that the softbox light actually gives you. Another reason why you should not get a professional gear is that your editing levels is probably not on par with the equipment that you're gonna get. If your editing level is not high, then no matter how good your equipment is, it's not gonna come out as good as you want it. The reason why people get professional gears is that their editing level is far superior than whatever equipment they have. It's because they know how to highlight a part of the video and their equipment doesn't allow them to do it. That's why they buy those gears. However, as a new YouTuber, you don't need that gear. You don't know how to choose a highlight yet. You need more experience in this field before. So when you start out, I suggest just using your iPhone, video and audio to start your YouTube videos, like I do. Okay, the fifth advice I'll give you is to never use clickbait. Clickbait, they'll be useful if they actually relate to your videos. However, excessive clickbait can actually harm your videos because people will click on your video and they'll realize that it's not the video they're looking for. They'll actually click on it, they'll watch it for the first 5 seconds and they'll realize, oh, it's not what I'm looking for, and they'll leave. And this actually decreases your watch time and it's gonna decrease the click-through rate. And the click-through rate is what YouTube search engine optimization uses to actually post your videos when people search for your terms. And by having a lower watch time, YouTube SEO will think that people don't want to watch your videos, so they will drop your rank in the search option and then your video will never pop up on the search term. Okay, the sixth advice that I'll talk about is similar to the last one, is to never use excessive tags. Having a lot of specific tags is really important in posting your videos. It actually allows YouTube to know what your video is about so that when people search for these kinds of videos, your videos will actually pop up and rank pretty high. However, if you use tags that are too excessive and too broad range, then YouTube will not know what you're talking about and your rank on SEO will drop. And this will not allow your videos to rank higher and this will cause problems for you in the long run. Okay, the last advice I'll give you is pretty obvious and it's that you have to never use a copyrighted content. Now, I realize that finding content on YouTube is pretty hard. You have to find the right music, you have to find the right audio effects for your videos, and these kind of things are not easy to come by. And the audio library that YouTube provides is not really the best. So, how do you go about this? Well, turns out that the audio library in YouTube is not too bad. If you look at some famous people's videos like this video and that video, they actually use audios from the audio library that YouTube has. So now you know that these famous people actually use this audio library audios, you can also start using them and make your videos a little better. If you own a YouTube channel, then you probably know this, but you only get 3 copyright strikes until your channel gets deleted. Although you might benefit from this copyrighted content you get from the beginning, if this piles up and YouTube actually figures out what you're doing with your videos, then your channel will go down and all your hard work will be for nothing. So, when you find your audios and videos or any contents for your videos, make sure they're not copyrighted. Or if they are copyrighted, make sure you got permission from the creators so your video won't get copyright striked. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos on 7 things to never do as a beginner YouTuber, and make sure to leave a comment down below, like my videos, subscribe to my channel and turn the bell on so you'll get notification from my future videos. Thank you and see you next time. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos, please check out my playlist right here and my latest video right here, and then subscribe right here so you'll get the most information on YouTube channels. Thank you.